Welcome back, everybody. Time for a bit of a serious conversation here. Gum disease. It's not exactly something we like to think about or talk about, but the reality is we should. It can be a very serious condition. I'm happy this morning, though, to be joined by Dr. Duane Keller to explain how he's helping his patients who suffer from gum disease. Dr. Keller, always good to connect with you. I hope you're doing well. First of all, why should we be worried about gum disease? Why is this something that should be on our radar?
Well, it's not only the mouth that you're concerned with, because they've now found that the bacteria that are associated with gum disease are also the bacteria that are associated with a lot of systemic problems, such as heart problems, type 2 diabetes, pregnancy complications, etc. If the little bugs just stayed in the mouth, I guess it would be one thing, but they don't. They get into the bloodstream and then they have effects elsewhere.
Now, my rough understanding of this is part of the problem in treating it, Dr. Keller, is that the bugs, as you call them, that you're after are well below the gum line, or can be anyway. So, how do you treat this effectively?
Gum disease is a chronic wound. And what we've been doing in the past have been acute treatments for it. And you don't get good results of a chronic wound with acute treatment modalities. But the American Medical Association does have guidelines for treating chronic wounds. And the first of those is find a way to control the bacteria that cause the infection. And that's really what the PeriProtect system allows us to do. We can actually deliver a 1.7% hydrogen peroxide gel down under the gum tissue, and we can control the bacteria that are there. We can change the microenvironment so the only bacteria that remain are those that live in healthy gum tissue. So finally, we can give the patients something that they can use at home that can help them control, cure, manage, whatever term you want, gum disease in ways we have not been able to do in the past.
And I assume the results with your patients have been great.
The results have been actually humbling, Matt. It's so good to see people be able to restore their health. There is always one adverse side effect to all treatments, and the adverse side effect of this is the method whitens your teeth. Darn, I guess you're going to look younger as you get older.
I guess we're all willing to put up with something. So if you would like to make an appointment with Dr. Keller, just give him a call, 314-638-4190. You can also always check out his website for more information. That's drduanekeller.com.